gonna teach you chess basics, more details on chess basics. So this is white and this is black. So before we learn a topic, what is chess? So chess is nothing. Chess is an important game and very vital game for us. So it increases concentration power and even IQ. It is filled with mind power, strategy, tactics, etc. So this is the black's opponent and it's called white opponent. So here we play white and here is the black. These are called files. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like that. So these are called rows. So the queen is the most important piece in the chess. So this is called a chessboard and these are chess pieces. Now firstly, let's learn on chessboard. So this is the chessboard. So here the white plays and here the black plays. So even there are also different types of chessboards like white green chessboards, white black chessboards, even with brown chessboards. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, H and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 each lengths. So each box have different type of names. Even we have names, but box don't have name, but have a common name. Like this box is called A1. This is called B1, C1, D1, E1, F1, G1, H1, A2, B2, C2, D2, E2. Like if it's this one, then D4. Again here E5 of this box. Okay, so this is the way we do. This is the winning center. You should every time control center, and center is very important if you want to win a game. So this is the winning center. These first 4 boxes are the winning center. D5, E5, D4 and E4 are the winning centers. So now let's see how does the pieces arrange. So I choose the white. The white pieces are gonna arrange this. So first we arrange the pawns, and then inside that we keep the important pieces. So these are the very important pieces in chess. Don't leave them free. So this is the way arrange. In black also the same way arrange. So now let's learn how does the pieces move. This is called as the pawn. Pawn moves 1 step or 2 steps. At the beginning of the game, if needed, you can play 2 steps as well as. And if you're at the center of the game or if you're second chance, you have to move only 1 step. And one more thing is, if you reach the end here, then it's called pawn promotion. You can choose any type of promotion. If you want to take rook. You can choose as knight, you can choose as bishop. But you cannot choose king and pawn. You can choose even the queen too. It's a big reward when you reach that. And the most important and the special move is castling. So this is the way it looks like. This is called the king side and this is the queen side. Queen is having a more than a king side. So, but how do we do castling? Move the king 2 steps. As queen side, every time the king is only going to move 2 steps. But the rook should jump at the king. But what is this called? Castling. And if it's like this, if you're taking as king side, you have to move these 2 steps and jump over this, and this is called castling. But we are saying that this is very important move in this is castling. But why? Because your king is at danger position, it's in a danger position. So we can checkmate you in 2 moves because the pawns were not there. So if you do castling, these 3 pawns will protect you and even this will protect you. Even the rook is at the end, so you should move the pawn. So that time it takes a lot moves for that the rook should come out. So the powerful one can come out and move it over. So it is called castling. But now let's learn what is check. So the rook every time stays at the corners, knight stays at 1b and 1g, bishop stays at 1c1 and at f1, and king will stay at d1 and the queen stays at e1. So here also the same, the pawns. So now let's learn capital letters of each of that. So these pawns. For that the capital letter is P. And for the rook, the capital letter is R. For knight, the capital letter is L, not K. And bishop, capital letter B. And for king, capital letter is K. And for queen, it is the capital letter is Q. But this is the way you read it. So now let's learn what is check. Whenever or any time, if it's like this it's when the king is under danger to capture. So next target is going to get captured. It's called check. So we are seeing a warning. So it's going to be defeated soon and checkmated soon. Whenever, if it is like this, the king is at the end. Anyway, like this. So the king cannot move here. This is the control is here. The king cannot move here, control of this, control of this, control of this, control of this. So now this is called the checkmate because it has no place to move but it is in danger. So it surrenders and the game is over. So the white wins. So this is called checkmate. And you may have a doubt. If it's like this, then there is no move to move. But what is this called then? There is no place to move anywhere. There is no safe, but stay on a safe place. But this is called stalemate because it is safe, but if you move, it's in danger. So this is called stalemate. So these are all the